Hello, with the Softyflow platform, you can easily manage your process and task instances. To set the instance parameters and add the measurements corresponding to each process report, we need to check the process parameters and configure them. The first thing is to add a name instance with the VN page which contains screen, interface, roles. Then we can add the necessary measures which will be added later to the report for it to be well organized. The measures must be configured by adding the name of the measure and its type and the value of the measure. This value is already calculated at the time for launching the process. To display the value of the measurement, simply put a simple JavaScript code on the name of the variable for each measurement. These metrics are essential to create a very detailed report. Softyflow has set up some predefined variables which can be added as metrics. To start a process, we will have to link it with a submission button. Now we will create a report. We will have to add the report name and link it with the dedicated process, and we choose either an instance report or task report. The difference between them: that instance is where the process is stopped, task is the request task linked to a user for a defined interface. We add the process measures which are already defined in the process parameters, we add them in the column part in the report details. There are measures provided by Softyflow linked by example to user information. Now we just have to add the report and the interface to view and adjust it. First we add another specific web interface for reports. We have added a menu bar to switch between the two interfaces. We need to add our report and the interface and adjust it. We add a tab type widget that will include the report table. We have the possibility to add multiple tabs with more reports. To add a report, we choose the widget table and we are going to configure it by adding the data source report. It remains just to set the columns. The columns can be filtered and configured by modifying the size and its name. We have the right to add several reports. After launching the form, the reports will be completed. We can also visualize the process instances by clicking on the row of the instance in the report. The same thing for the task. Thanks for watching. See you soon for another video.